everybody. Now we are going to play Energizer, and the name of the Energizer is Earthquake. Do you know about earthquake? Yes. Yes? Shall I hear a very high yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now what we are going to do, let me come in front so that I can explain you well. Two people will be, not tree, house, like this. Can you please come here? Okay, like house. Oh. Okay. And one person will be standing here inside of the house. Okay. And what happens when earthquake comes? Everybody goes outside of the house, right? And they find some other place to stay. Same goes with it. Once I will say earthquake, this house will fall down. This person will go and find a house for herself. Okay? Now Vandana will go and find another house. Please come here, Vandana. Make a house. Vandana will make a house like this because Vandana was inside of the house before.
Yes.
Now she will become the house. Okay? Now the person who was house before will go inside like this. Okay? As I am here. Then I will say earthquake. Then I will go and find out somebody who was there inside. Like I was there. And before shall we do two the time? Can you please come? Please come. You make a house? You go there. Fine? Okay? Everybody? Listen here. You make a house? And I am here. Once I shouted, what do I have to shout? Earthquake. The moment I shout earthquake, we both will become house, okay? Earthquake. And the person, these people will be, their house will be broken, and then one person from them, one person quickly will go inside. Quickly go. Then these three are out.
Oh.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
These three are
Out.
Is it clear, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's try again. Let's try again. Make a house.
Ma'am, anyone?
Make house. You people also do the same. Can you please come here? Yes. And then you make house. Fine. Fine and proper. Okay?
Yes,
Do you know the instructions?
Yes, ma'am.
Now drop your hands. Let me ask you. Okay. Now, okay. Let me ask Payal. Everybody, listen. Payal, can you please tell me? Where is Payal? Payal, if a person is house before, after that, will he become house again? No. He or she? No? That person will go inside and find the house. Right? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, let me tell you in Hindi also, one time. Do you want me to say in Hindi?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. But I would like to share.
Okay, ma'am.
For some new students are here with us. Okay? पहले हम घर बनाएंगे. ठीक है? घर में एक इंसान होंगे. इंसान घर में एक इंसान होंगे और जैसे ही भूकंप मैं बोलूंगी earthquake, वैसे ही घर क्या हो जाएगा? टूट जाएगा. नो नीड टू शो लाइक दिस. फटाफट से ये भाग कर जाएंगे किसी को जो किसी और के घर में होंगे, उनके साथ मिलके घर बना लेंगे. ठीक है? फिर ये जो जिन्होंने पहले घर बनाया था, ये घर ढूंढेंगे. ठीक है? नाउ मेकअप. Quick! Please maintain personal distance. Earthquake! All those, whoever is out, please go out. Please, please, please. Leave the space empty. Out, please go. Please go.
Where is my house?
Those who are out, please go out. Okay. Again, Bhavna, can you please?
Earthquake. Earthquake. Earthquake.